Hello and welcome to my channel. I wanted to show you a stitch for you guys, the beginners. I think this is one of the stitches that you can do very easy and fast. The stitch is reversible and it has only one row repeat. You're gonna do one row over and over again until you finish your project. So these are the sides of the work. So for you guys, the beginners, to do a blanket or a scarf, whatever you choose to do, it's really nice. The tutorial for this stitch, I have it on my other channel. I will put the tutorial link for this stitch into description box underneath this video, and I will pin the comment also. So if you cannot figure out where the link is, look at the comment section and you will see the link there. Yeah. But the stitch is very easy for you guys and it looks really nice. And let me tell you, this one, you can do this with any yarn size. I think for example, the thin one, medium, or even this yarn, for this yarn I used 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. I don't know if you can see. It's really nice, this one. Even for a winter scarf, it's okay to do this, even though it has some openings. But I think for a baby blanket with variegated yarn, where you change your colors, I think this looks really, really nice. And in the tutorial, I showed you, for example, we have here the double crochets. But if you want to have this opening, like a little bit like holes, these ones here, I showed you how to do, just to have a little bit opening. Yeah. But this is really nice and goes really fast. So you as a beginners, I took my time in the tutorial to show you, you guys, the beginners, how to do it. For you ladies that you are more advanced, you just speed up the speed of the video, and you will not sit there for 11 minutes, yeah, and watch the tutorial. Yeah, but the stitch is really nice and it's very simple. And I think for a blouse with a very thin yarn, like 2.0 millimeter crochet hook, I think this stitch is really nice. Or even for a spring cardigan, shawl, wrap, so many things you can do with this stitch. But I think for you guys, the beginners that you want to make baby blankets, I think this is really nice. And in the tutorial, I'm telling you, for example, here, if you don't want, because I worked through the chain, if you don't want, you want one row of single crochet, I explained to you how to do it towards the end of the tutorial. Yeah. Well, I hope you will like this stitch and give it a try. I'm sure you can find something to do with this stitch, some project. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.